Every minute, a truckload of plastic is dumped into our world. It washes onto beaches, stacks up in landfills, and slips into the places where people live. Behind every bottle and every bag, there is a human story. Some people spend their entire day walking through trash just to survive. But what if this plastic didn't have to end here? What if a single bottle could have a second life? This is where that second life begins. Inside these walls, waste is treated as something too valuable to throw away. Nothing is random here. Cameras scan every item, machines sort each piece, and plastic finds its own path. The dirt, the labels, the past life, all of it is stripped away. What used to smell like garbage starts to look clean, clear, and new. These tiny flakes and pellets don't look like trash anymore. They are raw material, ready to be transformed. Inside hot steel molds, recycled plastic takes shape again. Chairs, panels, and parts are born out of what we once threw away. You might sit on one of these chairs without ever knowing its story. A classroom, a park bench, a quiet moment with your family, all supported by what used to be waste. On screens deep inside the factory, the numbers keep climbing. Tons of plastic recycled, tons of code to avoid it, energy saved every single day. Now imagine this, not in just one city, but in thousands. Clean streets, green parks, and products designed to live more than one life. In the end, it all comes back to something small. One bottle in one hand, at one bin. This is not just a bottle, it is a choice. What will you do with yours?